Facing our fears head-on is one of the most effective methods for overcoming them. Developing a support network of trusted friends and family members can provide us with the encouragement we need to overcome our fears. Gradual exposure therapy involves slowly and progressively exposing ourselves to our fears, which can help to desensitize us to them over time. Learning relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing and meditation, can help to calm our nerves and reduce anxiety associated with fear. Visualizing ourselves successfully overcoming our fears can help to build confidence and motivation to face them.